So for all the new viewers here, hello, my name is Saparna and I welcome you all to my channel. So this video is going to be all about skincare products. I'm sharing with you guys like some super affordable skincare products. So yeah, I have been using a series of these products since from the past 2 years, and they are super affordable and it really does your works in a great way. So further, let's jump into the video. So yeah, let's start with the second step of skincare, that's with the toner. This one is from Biotic. It's the Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner, and I am just in love with this toner because it really does, it works in a great way. It just clean off the last dirt which is left on your face. It just cleans so well that you can see all the dirt on your cotton pad. And yeah, this one is super affordable. It's just for 175, but still whenever you purchase it during a sale, you will usually get some 20 to 30% off, and the price really goes to somewhere around 110 or 105 like that, which is I think so super affordable. And using a toner something like that, whenever you wash your face with a face wash or a cleanser, though you wash your face with a face wash or a cleanser, but it doesn't cleans up your face completely. That's what the toner do. It just clean off the last dirt left on your face. And yeah, this toner really cleans up your face like really completely. If you use it once, you will see all the dirt of your face in that cotton pad, and when you use it for a second time, you will not see that dirt which you saw in the first time. So that's what I think. So this toner really does, it works in a great way, and also it is super affordable one. And yeah, if you are someone looking for a toner, I highly prefer you to go for this one, for the Biotic Bio Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner. So this was all about this toner. So moving on to the next, this is a face serum from Biotic Biodendelion Visible Ageless Serum. I just love this serum, and this serum is really very affordable. It's only for rupees 230, but as I said, it whenever you purchase it during a sale, you will almost get 20 to 30% off, and the price decreased to somewhere like 175 or 150, which is very affordable. And yeah, using a serum is very important. It really prevents your skin from anti-aging at your very early age, where usually nowadays people used to get the sign of anti-aging at a very early age. That's what the work of a serum does. It really prevents from the sign of anti-aging. That's what I prefer using a serum. I usually use it before applying a moisturizer or before applying any foundation or someone like that. And yeah, if you're someone looking for a serum at a very affordable price, then I think so you should go for this Biotic Biodendelion Visible Ageless Serum. So yeah, that's what all about this serum. And so now moving to the next with the fourth step of skincare, that's the moisturizer. So this one is from Biotic Morning Nectar Moisturizer, and yeah, it's for all skin type people. Even the dry skin people or the oily skin people can use this moisturizer. And one good thing about this moisturizer is that it has got SPF 30, which is more or less enough. And yeah, it's also very affordable. I got it somewhere around 175, but its actual price is 199. I purchased it during a sale, so almost it's like whenever you purchase it during a sale, you will get 20 to 30% off, which really decreased the price from the original price. That's what the plus point of buying an item during a sale. So yeah, that's what all about this moisturizer. Moving on to the next, I bought this face pack. It's from Biotic. It's a Biofood Whitening Dye Pigmented and Tan Removable Face Pack. As my skin is very sensitive, and yeah, it usually get tan during summer, that's what made me purchase this face pack. And yeah, I think so it really works great for your tan, though it works in a slow manner, but yeah, it really does, it works in a great way. That's what, after reading many reviews, I bought this face pack, and yeah, I found it great. And yeah, it is also super affordable. I bought it for 150 and its real price is 199. But still it really works great for your tan. That's what I love about this face pack. And yeah, if you're someone like who usually get 10 and you are searching for a face pack, then I prefer you to go for this one because it really works great. And yeah, that was all about this face pack. And yeah, last but not the least, this is a lip balm from Biotic. It's the Biotic Biofruit Whitening Lip Balm. I just love this lip balm because it's like, since I started using this lip balm, my lips are more better now, and it's like I was having a very dry lips before, and also I was having a pigmented lips. It's like it really changed the color tone of my lips. Since the past 2 years, I can see a huge difference on my lip color. And yeah, that's what. Also, it's very super affordable. It's only for 175. And yeah, if you're someone like looking for a good lip balm, then I highly prefer you to go for this one. This is the Biotic Biofruit Whitening Lip Balm. So yeah, that was all about this lip balm. Yeah, that was all about this video. Thank you for watching, and yeah, do let me know how you find it, and if you love it, do give it a like. And yeah, if you're someone new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.